hold up. Link. Let's go. We got Link. I'm editing a video and I look over and I see Link. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, sir. I'm so happy. Let's throw down, boy. Come on. Because I can't let this opportunity go to waste. And I'm also I might make this a rule where I can't rematch them. I haven't been rematching anyone else, and if I did, it'd just be like, hey, how much? And because I want to try getting these all in one shot. Then I already have Samus done, so I can just. Okay, you're dead. You're so dead. Oh, what? One, how did you get back? You were also very deep. Two, how did I not hit any of your up B?
Now, return to your original position.
Oh my god, dude, I fall. Shoink! Oh, come on.
Keep training and working on your sides.
Shoink! Got him.
Now, return to your original position.
Shoink.
Watch the play of my movements as I demonstrate.
Always try to down air. They always try to do it. One.
Bend forward and touch your toes with both hands.
Shoink. Yeah. Oh, come on. I thought I could counteract it.
Now, return to your original position.
Link gone. We got Link.